The only thought that brought me here at this place at Vedam is to do something new. I can learn something new. First of all, thank you, Team Vedam. You guys are really exceptional, wonderful, for creating such a wonderful platform for all the students, I would say. As you rightly mentioned, Piyush, that it's going to be like building something new for them, and each day it's going to be like learning and unlearning something, right? So when they unlearn something and try to build something, it's going to be a real experience for them. As the name itself suggests, Vedam, it's like, Veda into everything. It means like, learning every day, right? So I also had opportunities to look at other campuses. There are good campuses in and around Pune. There are good campuses in and around India. But the only thought that brought me here at this place at Vedam is do something new. I can learn something new. It's not for me, it's for my daughter, I would say. I was so excited to meet all of them. And when I met them, I had a lot of questions to ask in terms of campus, in terms of the teaching, in terms of the new learning things, in terms of tech building. So all the questions were addressed so politely. And during the transition of 2 months, I was in touch with all of them. I think I had called more than 20 times just to check about the progress of the campus, right? So I got the videos of unfinished work. I got the videos of new things which were brought into the campus. They were so receptive, so humble to address the phone calls as well. So only one thing I would like to tell all of you is, one is you guys are transparent, you guys are trustworthy, and with these 2 words, I wish on all the parents and students, I wish all of you a great success, and I wish you all the best in building with the greatest heights, where you feel that with your vision and mission can take you to the heights. Thank you.